In the next less than 10 minutes, you may have just clicked on the piece of the puzzle that you've been looking for. In this video, I bring on Brandon Trades, millionaire day trader, team bull trader, and trader with years of experience here to teach you his exact strategy and how he caught the exact top on SPY right here for a massive move on puts. And for those new here, my name is Jadon Trades. I'm the founder of Team Bull Trading, and I love seeing you guys win. I too am going to go over my trading day, how I haven't quite been on my A game, how I took a rather large loss today because yes, I share my losses, but how I still ended green, and some other tips and tricks to help you make more money day trading and in the stock market. So, my future millionaire friends, without further ado, if you like making money, if you enjoy transparent trading, and if you get some value from this video, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button in the bottom right corner. Comment what you want to learn next below or what traders you want to see interviewed below, and let's get to the money and education. Brandon, the SPY sniping madman, how we doing today?
I'm good. How about yourself?
I'm doing all right, I broke one of my main trading rules today. I ended up green, but I did take a bigger loss than I would have liked. So I want to talk about that. And to hop right into things, I want to go over how you caught the exact top on the day. And when I say exact top, I mean you climbed to the top of Mount Everest, you plant your flag. This was you right here on SPY. I want you to tell us all about that and teach us how. So hopefully everyone else can catch that like we did inside Team Bull today. So right off the rip, as you can see here, made $1,300 in the day. Now, I am not happy with my trading performance at all. I broke my rules. Yes, I ended green, but after a while of trading, you stop looking at P&L and you start looking at how to perform. My head hasn't been in the game. I didn't have any voice signals inside Team Bull. Luckily, my boy Brandon did. The guys in live trading crushed it. But for me, I wasn't on my A game, so I was thinking, you know what? I'm not going to give out live signals if I'm not, on A+ mode. So I don't want to put other people's money at risk. So that's something I recommend to all you guys. If you're looking at these charts, you're not in your A place, you're not in your A game, even if it's your B game, your C+ game, whatever it is, you keep things lighter. You really focus on your rules and you don't put money at risk that you shouldn't put there. So long story short for me, I caught part of this SPY short with you down here. That was great. Where I messed up was trying to take another trade down, trying to chase their pre-market lows, trying to catch more, got stopped out on the way back up, gave away all my SPY gains and some more. Now we flip over to Tesla. Luckily, Tesla saved the day for us. We go textbook downtrend. Saw this coming back up. We came into our 50 to 68 range, added here, saw this reversal candle, caught a nice piece of this down, ended up green on the day. But nonetheless, my friends, the whole point of me showing you this isn't to give you some strategy lesson. It's to tell you, yes, I have losses. You're going to have losses, but as long as you can keep your losses smaller than your wins, you're going to be okay, my friends. You're going to be all right. So transparency always. I got you. Now let's head over to Brandon so he can show you how we caught the top and give you some fire Team Bull style education. Let's go.
Let's do it. All righty. So today called the exact top live in Team Bull. We caught the puts right up here. And as you can see, this was the dead top on the day. So I want to go over on how I found this level, why it was so important, and other confluences that I had going into this trade. So zooming out to the weekly time frame, if we take the all-time high all the way up here at 480, let me just go ahead and delete all this. Boom. Take the all-time high up here at 480 down to the 2022 lows. You can see that we get this 61.8% retracement right here. I've been talking about this level literally for weeks to watch it for a reject. So as we see on, I think it was Monday. Yeah, Monday we came up, we misprinted at the level, came down, and then we actually hit it on Monday and started flushing to the downside. This right here validates that this 61.8 is very, very important. So going into today, I told everybody that we're watching this 429.61. And as price came up towards the 61.8% retracement, that is when we ended up getting short and we're able to catch this thing all the way back down into the low of day. Unfortunately, not being able to catch the rest of that move, but this was still a very beautiful trade. Now, there were other confluences behind it. If we head on over to ES, we can see if we zoom out to the 30-minute time frame that on Monday, we actually ended up forming 30-minute supply up at this zone as well. So we have our basing candle right here, huge flush to the downside, leaving orders unfilled, which is more than likely going to act as resistance. So not only did we have the 61.8 up at 429.61, we also had 30-minute supply on ES. Now, if we head on over to NQ, NQ actually had 1 hour supply. So again, if we zoom out to the 1 hour time frame, we can see we have this basing candle before a huge flush to the downside. What does this mean? Orders left unfilled. More than likely, they're going to get filled on a retest. So these are sell orders waiting to be filled by the market. So as NQ comes up into the supply, you can see it wasn't able to break through. If we head on over to ES was not able to break through supply. And at the same time, SPY was hitting 420, 429.61. What does that do? Sets up for a very high probability reject for puts. And when we got into this thing, our stop loss, I said it live in Team Bull, was above 429.75. So we were giving up like 20, 25 cents of upside for a move all the way back down into the low a day and potentially all the way down towards 426. So this was a beautiful trade. Again, traded live in Team Bull. Members banked, we banked. Absolutely beautiful trade.
And that education you just gave on supply and demand is, if people take that, run with it, and work on it, like, that is game-changing stuff that anyone else will charge you to learn. But lucky for us, you're here teaching it on YouTube, and that's just, it's all incredible education, bro. Kudos to you.
Sorry. Thank you.
Yeah, so amazing trade. You love to see it. Short, sweet, and to the point. So I think that wraps us up for the day. Now, I always like to ask if there's anything else you'd like to say before we go. Make it be known. Otherwise, it's been nice having you on the channel.
Everybody keep crushing it, and we're going to continue to run it up in Team Bull. If you guys want to trade live with us, make sure to do so.
Let's go, baby. We'll appreciate you having you on, and look forward to making some money with you tomorrow. Let's get it.
Yes, sir. Take it easy.
All right, man. Peace.
Peace.